Jai Hind and welcome to the Strategic Brief. India is no longer waiting on the sidelines. This week, massive geopolitical partnerships cemented our energy security, indigenous weapons systems stormed the global export market, and the defense budget committed historic funds to secure our northern and western frontiers. We are talking about billions in trade, state-of-the-art guided rockets, and the strategic push that is redefining India's global military footprint. Get ready for the 5 biggest defense and strategic news items that prove why the Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative is driving real, powerful change. Let's dive in. First up, a geopolitical game changer. India and the UAE have inked landmark deals aiming to double annual trade to a staggering $200 billion by 2032. This isn't just about commerce, it's about strategic depth. The pact covers LNG supply, critical for India's energy security, joint defense production, and cooperation in space technology. This framework establishes a comprehensive, resilient relationship with a crucial Middle Eastern partner, significantly enhancing India's geopolitical leverage in the region and beyond. A massive win for DRDO and the Make in India initiative. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh proudly flagged off the first batch of the indigenous Pinaka multi-barrel rocket launchers for export. The recipient? Armenia. This marks a significant milestone. The Pinaka system, a premier Indian guided rocket, is now competing directly with established global players. This export success proves the quality and capability of Indian defense engineering, turning our nation into a net security provider and a serious player in the global arms market. Strategic readiness is the mandate. The government has approved a massive 79,000 crore rupees defense acquisition push, aimed explicitly at rapidly rearming and modernizing our forces. The focus is clear, countering the escalating threats along the northern and western borders. This funding is critical for accelerating procurement cycles, ensuring our soldiers have the state-of-the-art equipment needed, and maintaining absolute superiority across challenging high-altitude terrains. But the path to self-reliance has strategic trade-offs. The $35 billion push for 114 additional Rafale fighter jets reveals a core policy dilemma. While Atmanirbhar Bharat is the goal, immediate military certainty often necessitates large-scale foreign procurement. This decision prioritizes urgent, proven combat capability right now over slower, long-term indigenization efforts. This is the strategic balancing act defining India's defense planning for the next decade. Finally, focus on the foundation. A major Indian defense company is investing 500 crores in a domestic chip plant. Semiconductors are the bedrock of modern warfare, and this crucial step addresses our vulnerability in key high-technology components. Complementing this, the critical Nagpur ammunition facility is expanding capacity. Ensuring robust domestic ammunition supply is vital for sustaining long conflicts and reducing reliance on volatile international supply chains. This is strategic depth, built at home. And quickly, 2 key partnership updates. The US Army Secretary visited India, finalizing $93 million in arms deals and deepening military cooperation. Simultaneously, an Indian defense delegation visited Kenya, strengthening ties in the Western Indian Ocean region, crucial for enhancing shared maritime security interests. India's global defense footprint is expanding rapidly. From securing $200 billion trade pacts to exporting guided rockets and allocating record funds for border defense, this week proved that India's strategic rise is accelerating. Our nation is building the capacity and the alliances necessary to safeguard its interests globally. What story impacted you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button, share this crucial information, and subscribe for your next dose of expert strategic analysis. Jai Hind, and we'll see you next time.